Mazda CX-90 2024. Mazda has released a teaser image showing the new 2024 CX-90 SUV. It will ride on a new platform and use Mazda's new inline-six engine. The CX-90 will debut in January 2023 and go on sale in US late next year. Mazda gave a glimpse of its new three-row SUV and announced that the 2024 CX-90 will debut in January 2023. It will be the first Mazda model sold in the US to use the company's new longitudinal engine platform and inline-six engine. It will serve as Mazda's largest and most premium model, and will eventually replace the CX-9. The image shows the CX-90's front fenders with inline-six badge and fence. It's painted in a new color called Artisan Red, which Mazda says will be specific to these new large platform vehicles, which share the same platform and offer a naturally aspirated 3.0-liter inline-six, a 3.3 liters turbodiesel inline-six, or a 323 HP plug-in hybrid powertrain with a 2.5-liter inline-four. We're hoping some petrol 6 and hybrid version will make their way to the US in the CX-90 and CX-70.